Good morning, everybody. I'm Ryder's mom. My name is Rebecca, and this, Ryder might have told you about, is his new puppy. Her name is Echo. Say hi, Echo. She won't hold still. She's a little baby. She's only 2 months old, and we just got her. So Ryder probably told you about his new puppy, and today, in her honor, I want to read a book for you guys. It's called Fun Dog, Sun Dog. It's not very sunny out today, but this book makes me want to go to the beach. Fun Dog, Sun Dog by Deborah Halligan. Illustrated by Tim Bowers. For Tinka and her friends, Honeybee, Marigold, and Trippy. Okay. Tinka is a sweet dog, a treat dog, a jumping up to greet dog. If you have a dog, it might jump up and greet people when they come up to them. A fun dog, a sun dog, a run and run and run dog. Little secret, Echo, our new puppy, loves to run. A ride dog, a slide dog, a stay right by my side dog. Look at, they're going down the slide together. A beach dog, a reach dog, a something new to teach dog. Do you guys know what he's playing? Frisbee. Yep, lots of dogs like to play Frisbee. Uh-oh. Tinka is a dandy dog, a sandy dog, a snatching all my candy dog. Uh-oh, looks like Tinka stole his candy. A howl dog, a yowl dog, a crawl beneath my towel dog. So what happened? She was getting in trouble. She was getting yelled at, and she hid the towel. An ocean dog, a motion dog, a grabbing suntan lotion dog. A sticky dog, an icky dog, an icky, sticky, licky dog. Tinka is a hot dog, a trot dog, a runs away a lot dog. That's frustrating. Uh-oh. A fair dog, a bear dog, and I don't want to share dog. So the picture's kind of in the middle, but look at, he won a bear at the fair. Tinka wants to take it from him. A busy dog, a dizzy dog, a soda is too fizzy dog. Uh-oh. Tinka. Tinka is a park dog, a bark dog, a take me home it's dark dog. We have a little thing right there that you might notice in the corner of the page. It looks like it might be a tail. Uh-oh, a night dog, a fright dog, a something's not quite right dog, a hey dog, a sprayed dog, a skunk got in the way dog. Oh man, he got sprayed by a skunk. Ugh. Tinka is a stink dog, a blink dog, a too big for the sink dog. Look at. So sometimes when a dog gets sprayed by a skunk, you're supposed to give them a bath in tomato juice, and that gets the smell off of them. I don't know if it actually works, but that's what people say you're supposed to do. A tub dog, a rub dog, a scrub-a-dub-a-dub dog. He does not look happy. Tinka is a prancy dog, a dancy dog, a brushed and combed and fancy dog, a nap dog, a rap dog, a climb up in my lap dog. He's kind of big. A care dog, a share dog, a when I need her there dog. So I hope you liked Sun Dog, Fun Dog. Oh, Fun Dog, Sun Dog. Sorry, I flipped them. And I really hope that our new puppy Echo never gets sprayed by a skunk. Bye.